senior citizens reflect on Christmas over the years. Their stories in a TVJ News special report. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. Welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Kelisha Williams. Also this evening, carnage on the nation's streets. At least 2 fatal crashes reported in the past 24 hours. And Culture Ministry eyes Zong Massacre Remembrance as annual event in Black River. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, but I'll have the news in detail right after this break.